Hello and welcome. This is an easy 1/12 scale do-it-yourself dollhouse miniature project to make skirt hangers using metal and wood. The materials are listed below. Sand sharp edges of the wire. Use a round nose pliers to make the curve in the hook. Step 1. First cut the 1-inch wire piece, sand edges, use mask and glasses. Next bend one end of the wire around into a semicircle. You can use your finger to bend the wire or another pliers. I've marked a spot on the round plier that will give me a 1/4 inch hook. Then bend the other end up 90 degrees towards the hook insides. Then bend it back vertically. Cut end to about 1/4 inch, sand that end. You could also make a hook from the larger end of a standard paperclip or the smaller end of a jumbo paperclip. Spread it open, clip one end of the semicircle for the hook, and then follow the bending steps. Step 2. Make the wood piece. Cut 2 wood pieces 1 1/8 by 1/8 by 1/16 inches, or cut one piece with the dimensions listed below in the description box. Another option that I am using is using 2 HO railroad track pieces from the package shown. Glue the 2 thin sides together, clamp, let dry. Drill hole in the center, gently sand. Round edges if desired. Another option is to make saw cuts on each top edge about 1/8 from the end, 1/32 down. You're ready to glue the hook into the drilled hole. Let dry. Repeat steps 1 and 2 to make more hangers to display on a rack or add skirts with hanger loops. I hope you like and share this video on making skirt hangers. Thank you so much for watching.